Hi, we are now going to discuss about the polymorphism. The word polymorphism means having many forms. Poly means normally, the meaning of the word poly is many, and the morph is a forms. Many forms means that polymorphism in a single term. And here, let us take an example. A person can have the different characteristics. He can have the different role. He play the different role at the different time. The same person can be a father, can be a husband, he may be an employee, he may be a son of his father, brother, and many role he play. So for the different role he play the different characteristics, and this form is called as the polymorphism. In Java, the polymorphism comes in two types. One is a compile time polymorphism, and another one can be treated as a runtime polymorphism. Let us see what is compile time and what is runtime. Compile time is before execution. That is, before execution, if anybody can understand the different forms of a function, different behaviors of a function, then that is the compile time polymorphism. It can be called as a static polymorphism. This compile time polymorphism can also be known as a static polymorphism. The static polymorphism can be implemented in a two ways. One is through the function overloading, and another one through the operator overloading. Function overloading can also be called as a method overloading. In object oriented programming, we call the function as a method, and here the function overloading can be implemented in a two ways. That is, by giving the same function name but different parameters, or different number of parameters, or different types of parameters. Let us see the example. Here multiply fun is a class name. In this class we have two functions, multiply and multiply. Both name are same, so the same name, but this function is going to multiply the multiplication of two integer, and this function is going to perform the multiplication to find the product of two double values. So it will be returning double as a result, and this function will return the integer as a result. So here only the same common thing is the same name, but different types of arguments. Here these are called as arguments, and here integer arguments, two integer arguments we have. Here we have two double arguments, but the same name. Depending upon the type of argument, the function can be called and the value can be returned. This is one way of implementing the static polymorphism. And another way is, again here consider the class multiply function. This function name is same, and also here returning the same type of values, but the arguments here are, it accepts two integer argument as a value, and here we have three arguments of integer data type. Number of argument here is 2, and here the number of arguments are 3. So this is another way of implementing the function overloading. And the next one is operator overloading. Java also provides option to overload the operators. Here plus operator, let us take this plus operator can be used to concatenate two strings. Concatenation is joining, and plus, normally this plus is known as an addition operator. It is used to perform the addition of two numbers. So only the plus operator can be overloaded in Java. That is example, we can, using this symbol we can add two integers, or using the same symbol we can join or merge or concatenate two strings together. Here the class name is operator overload, and here we have the function operator. Operator is a keyword, and this is used as a function name. Here this means that we are going to define an operator plus. This function accepts two arguments of data type string. and here the same function name, because it is a polymorphism, the function name is the same and the type of argument we use differs. Here two string arguments are given and here two integer arguments are given. This function will perform the addition of two integers and this function will perform the addition of two strings, that we call here it as a concatenation. Thank you. In the next video we will discuss about the overriding, that is runtime polymorphism. We will see in the next video. Thank you.